Hi again and welcome. I'm hoping I can make some sense of this. I have my rice that's cooked and it's cooled, and I have my ground turkey, chopped onion, some Italian seasoning, and a little Lowry seasons. I am going to mix this with the, let me show you, with the egg. Okay. And I am going to add the rice, and then I will stuff these peppers that have been roasted, and I will add the tomato sauce, Spanish style tomato sauce. I should say salsa then, huh? Okay. Also, I need to cut my fresh basil. I have several basil leaves here. I just wrap them all up together. And I will cut them. This really smells so fresh. The aroma is lovely. I love basil. Okay. Hold on, I'll be right back. Normally, I don't add cheese to this recipe, but I feel like some cheese today. So I am going to add that cheese in. Okay. That should be enough. Normally I don't add cheese to this recipe, but I feel like some cheese today. I'm going to add this in quite a couple spoonfuls. Next, the rice. All right, the meatballs are browning nicely. And I have added the peppers that were stuffed. So I'll be adding the sauce. Going into the oven. Yeah, going into the oven, baby. A little zucchini, some meatballs, stuffed Pasilla pepper, and some mashed potato. Can't wait to taste this. These meatballs are very tender, delicious flavoring. The whole dish is excellent. I'm glad I made it. Thank you for stopping in and sharing with me. Try this recipe, you'll love it. The flavor on this pasilla chili pepper is excellent. I left the seeds in. It's not extremely hot. It's just wonderful. It tastes really so good. It tastes so good. Delicious. That little bit of cheese in the meat mixture really hit the spot. Very, very tasty. Again, thank you for watching, stopping by. Have a lovely evening or day wherever your time zone is. It's delicious. Take my word for it.